Hello, this is a video tour of number 45 Hartswell Drive, a 3-bedroom semi-detached property located within a quiet cul-de-sac off of Taylor Road in Kings Heath. Leading to the house there is a block paved driveway with space for 2 vehicles. There is gated side entry from the drive, wall mounted lights, and there is an obscured main entrance door leading into the vestibule. In the vestibule there is a ceiling light point, storage space on the left, and on the right hand side there is a good sized storage cupboard with shelving and a clothes rail. From the vestibule there are French doors opening through into the hallway, and inside the hallway there is coving, a wall mounted light, a radiator, and there are doors to the kitchen, living room and also the garage conversion. We'll begin by looking in the converted garage. In the room there is a window overlooking the drive, a window on the left, coving and a range of ceiling spotlights. There is a radiator, and also from the room there is access into a ground floor shower room. There is scope for this room to be used as another bedroom. Inside the shower room there is an obscured window on the right, a ceiling light point, a hand basin with a mixer tap over, a low level flush WC, radiator, tiled flooring, and the shower is located in the corner, which is a cubicle and a wall mounted shower and tray. Next we have the kitchen. You'll note on the left that there are 2 internal windows allowing light into the hallway. There is also a window on the right, a door providing access to the side entry, a range of spotlights, and there is a fitted kitchen comprising wall and base units, a hand basin with a mixer tap over, space for a cooker and washing machine, and there is also space for a standing fridge freezer. Lastly, on the ground floor is the living room, which is situated at the back of the house. There are 2 sets of patio doors leading into the garden. There is a ceiling light point, coving, 2 wall mounted lights, there is a radiator, and there is also a gas fire. The sizes of this room and all of the rooms are on our sales details. And lastly, you'll see behind the sofa there is access to an understair cupboard. The first floor of the house is accessed from the staircase leading from the hallway up to the first floor landing. The landing is a good size, and there is a window to the side, a ceiling light point, access into the loft. There is a radiator, and there are doors to all 3 bedrooms and the family bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house, a good sized double with a window to the front, ceiling light point, coving, a radiator, and there is a built-in wardrobe and overstair storage cupboard. Bedroom number 2, also a good sized double, has a window overlooking the rear garden, a ceiling light point, coving, a radiator, and access to a storage cupboard. The view of the garden from the room. The third bedroom also overlooks the rear garden. larger than standard single rooms in the area. There is a window to the rear, a ceiling light point, coving, radiator, and there will be space to get a double bed in the room. Lastly, the family bathroom is located at the front of the house. Inside the room there is an obscured window to the front, an obscured window also to the side, a range of ceiling spotlights. There is tiled walls and flooring. On the left is a low-level WC, pedestal wash hand basin with a mixer tap over. There is a panelled bath with a mixer tap, glass screen, wall-mounted electric shower, and there is also a radiator. The rear garden can be accessed via the gated entry off the drive, also from the door on the right from the kitchen. And the pathway here leads down to the garden area, where there is a block paved, good sized seating area with borders on both sides. And then from the seating area there is a lawn with planted borders framing the garden. And at the rear there is a shed. And behind the shed there is a small amount of storage space. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.